Hello kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hope to Glow. Kids, I'm back with the series of English to Urdu daily use sentences and this is lesson 3. I hope you are practicing English in your daily routine, speaking English, and you are getting better and better in speaking. So let's get started. Walk slowly. आहिस्ता चलना. Walk slowly. आहिस्ता चलना. Walk slowly. आहिस्ता चलना. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Wake up. उठो. Wake up. उठो. Wake up. उठो. Eat it. इसे खाओ. Eat it. इसे खाओ. Eat it. इसे खाओ. Come here. इधर आओ. Come here. इधर आओ. Come here. इधर आओ. Do you know? क्या आप जानते हैं? Do you know? क्या आप जानते हैं? Do you know? क्या आप जानते हैं? Repeat after me. मेरे बाद कहो. Repeat after me. मेरे बाद कहो. Repeat after me. मेरे बाद कहो. Get up. उठो. Get up. उठो. Get up. उठो. Sit down. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. बैठ जाओ. Speak loudly. जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. जोर से बोलो. Never. कभी नहीं. Never. कभी नहीं. Never. कभी नहीं. Take a bath. नहाओ. Take a bath. नहाओ. Take a bath. नहाओ. Try again. दोबारा कोशिश करो. Try again. दोबारा कोशिश करो. Try again. दोबारा कोशिश करो. Put your books in the bag. अपनी किताबें थैले में रखें. Put your books in the bag. अपनी किताबें थैले में रखें. Put your books in the bag. अपनी किताबें थैले में रखें. Okay, you can call bag basta as well. Like, put your books in the bag. अपनी किताबें बस्ते में रखें. Put your books in the bag. अपनी किताबें बस्ते में रखें. Put your books in the bag. अपनी किताबें बस्ते में रखें. Go and play. जाओ और खेलो. Go and play. जाओ और खेलो. Go and play. जाओ और खेलो. Be happy. खुश रहो. Be happy. खुश रहो. Be happy. खुश रहो. Be happy. खुश रहो. Let's play a game. आओ एक गेम खेलें. Let's play a game. आओ एक गेम खेलें. Let's play a game. आओ एक खेल खेलें. This one ये वाला. This one ये वाला. This one ये वाला. That one वो वाला. That one, वो वाला. That one, वो वाला. Do it, करो. Do it, करो. Do it, करो. Kids, hope you like this video and I hope you will find this video informative. For more videos, you can go to the description box and click the link below. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.